Get ready to dive into the world of luxury and reliability with our top 10 most reliable used Porsches. From sleek sports cars to versatile SUVs, these machines offer the perfect blend of performance and dependability. So, without further ado, let's begin. Number 1. 2022 Porsche 718 Cayman. Sleek, stylish, and boasting a performance that'll leave you breathless, this beauty is more than just a pretty face. With around 16 cubic feet of cargo space, it defies the odds of practicality for a sports car, making it a versatile choice for everyday use. But what about reliability? Well, according to consumer and expert reviews, the 2022 Cayman earns its stripes with a solid build quality and respectable dependability. So if you're in the market for a thrilling ride that doesn't compromise on reliability, the 718 Cayman might just be your perfect match. Number 2. 2013 Porsche Cayenne. Next up, we have the 2013 Porsche Cayenne, a powerhouse SUV that's as capable off-road as it is on the asphalt. Boasting a range of potent engines and a luxurious interior, the Cayenne is the epitome of versatility. But what about its reliability? Well, with an average yearly maintenance cost of $1,231, according to RepairPal, and solid consumer ratings, the 2013 Cayenne proves that it's more than just a pretty face. Number 3. 2018 Porsche Macan. If you're in the market for a compact luxury SUV that handles like a sports car, look no further than the 2018 Porsche Macan. With its refined interior, improved infotainment system, and exhilarating performance, the Macan delivers a driving experience that's second to none. But what about reliability? Despite its turbocharged performance, the 2018 Macan boasts respectable reliability ratings, making it a solid choice for those seeking both thrills and peace of mind on the road. Number 4. 2021 Porsche 718 Boxster. Now let's turn our attention to the 2021 Porsche 718 Boxster, a convertible sports car that's sure to turn heads wherever it goes. Despite initial skepticism from Porsche purists, the 718 Boxster has proven itself as a worthy successor to its predecessors. With excellent consumer ratings and a price range that won't break the bank, the 2021 Boxster is a compelling option for those seeking open-top thrills without compromising on reliability. Number 5. 2018 Porsche 718 Boxster. Continuing the legacy of its predecessors, the 2018 Porsche 718 Boxster combines performance with practicality in a sleek and stylish package. With its peppy engines, high-end amenities, and spacious seats, the 718 Boxster is more than just a weekend toy. It's a reliable companion for everyday adventures. So, if you're in the market for a convertible sports car that's as dependable as it is exhilarating, the 2018 Boxster ticks all the right boxes. Number 6. 2016 Porsche 911R. Prepare to be dazzled by the 2016 Porsche 911R. A special edition model that's sure to set your pulse racing. With its naturally aspirated engine and manual transmission, the 911R delivers a driving experience that's pure, unadulterated fun. And despite its rarity and high price tag, the 911R boasts solid reliability ratings, making it a worthy investment for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Number 7. 2019 Porsche 911 Carrera T Coupe. For purists who crave the thrill of the open road, the 2019 Porsche 911 Carrera T Coupe delivers in spades. With its lightweight construction, sharp steering, and blistering performance, the Carrera T is a driver's car through and through. And with solid reliability ratings to boot, it's a sports car that's as dependable as it is exhilarating. Number 8. 2019 Porsche 911 Turbo S. For those who demand nothing but the best, the 2019 Porsche 911 Turbo S is in a league of its own. With its monstrous power, advanced technology, and impeccable build quality, the Turbo S is the ultimate expression of Porsche's engineering prowess. And with stellar reliability ratings, it's a supercar that's as reliable as it is breathtaking. Number 9. 2018 Porsche 911 GT2 RS. If speed is your drug of choice, The 2018 Porsche 911 GT2 RS is sure to satisfy your cravings. With its mind-boggling performance and track-focused design, the GT2 RS is a force to be reckoned with on the road and the track. And despite its extreme nature, it boasts solid reliability ratings, making it a supercar that's as dependable as it is exhilarating. Number 10. 2015 Porsche 911. Last but certainly not least, we have the iconic 2015 Porsche 911, a legend in the world of sports cars. With its timeless design, exhilarating performance, and everyday usability, the 911 is the epitome of automotive excellence. And with solid reliability ratings, it's a sports car that's as reliable as it is thrilling to drive. And there you have it, folks. The top 10 most reliable Porsches to buy used. From the iconic 911 to the versatile Cayenne, these cars have earned their place in automotive history as trusted companions on the road. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more amazing content. Thanks for watching.
What makes a vehicle truly enduring? Is it the strength of its build or the reliability of its engine? Imagine a car that can weather the test of time, conquering rugged terrains and clocking miles upon miles without falter. Welcome to the world of Land Rover, where resilience meets innovation. Today, we embark on a journey through the annals of automotive history to uncover the top 5 most reliable Land Rover engines. So, buckle up as we delve into the heart of Land Rover's legacy, where power meets perseverance. Number 1. Rover 8. Let's kick off our exploration with a classic, the Rover 8 engine. Born from a collaboration between Land Rover and General Motors, this powerhouse made its debut in the 1960s. Originally a 215 cubic centimeter V8 from Buick, it underwent British craftsmanship to emerge as the robust 3.5-liter V8, delivering 158 horsepower. Initially gracing the P5B, this engine found its way into iconic models like the Range Rover series. Despite the transition to fuel-injected engines, the Rover 8's legacy endures, with vintage enthusiasts cherishing its reliability and longevity. Number 2. The 3.9-liter V8. Now, let's delve deeper into the legacy of the 3.9-liter V8. A true testament to endurance in the world of Land Rover engines. Emerging as the successor to its Buick-inspired predecessor, this powerhouse left an indelible mark on Land Rover's storied history. With 182 horsepower and 232 pound-feet of torque, it became the heartbeat of various Land Rover models from 1989 to 1998. Whether traversing rocky terrains or navigating urban landscapes, the 3.9-liter V8 demonstrated unwavering reliability and performance. Its presence under the hoods of vehicles like the Defender and Discovery elevated it to legendary status among enthusiasts. Beyond its power, it was the engine's ability to withstand the test of time that truly distinguished it. Owners recount tales of adventure and exploration, with vintage Range Rovers proudly displaying their high mileage as a badge of honor. In the annals of Land Rover history, the 3.9-liter V8 stands tall as a symbol of endurance and reliability, earning the admiration of adventurers worldwide. Number 3. The mighty 4.6-liter V8. Enter the mighty 4.6-liter V8, a powerhouse renowned for its unmatched power and steadfast dependability. Introduced in 1995, this engine represented the pinnacle of Land Rover engineering, boasting an impressive 222 horsepower and 300 pound-feet of torque. Its arrival signaled a new era of capability and performance for Range Rover HSE models. Equipped with the 4.6-liter V8, these vehicles conquered rugged terrains and towing tasks with ease, showcasing the engine's formidable capabilities. Owners of 4.6-equipped HSE models marveled at its reliability, with many surpassing the 100,000-mile mark without skipping a beat. Reviews echoed the sentiment of enthusiasts worldwide, praising the engine's power, efficiency, and minimal maintenance requirements. From off-road adventures to daily commutes, the 4.6-liter V8 proved itself as a reliable companion, instilling confidence in drivers across the globe. Number 4. Supercharged 4.2-liter V8. In a league of its own is the supercharged 4.2-liter V8, defying the stereotype of forced induction engines with its exceptional reliability. Unveiled in 2008 and 2009 Range Rover Sport models, this powerhouse boasts unmatched performance, outclassing its naturally aspirated counterpart. With 390 horsepower and 410 lb-ft of torque, it commands the road with authority while retaining its reliability. Owners shower praise on its dependability, with reviews lauding its luxury and minimal maintenance, cementing its status as a standout among Land Rover engines. Number 5. TD5 Turbo Diesel. Rounding off our list is the TD5 Turbo Diesel, a testament to Land Rover's innovation in diesel technology. Debuting in 1998, this 5-cylinder engine found its home in Defender's and Discovery Series 2 models, earning acclaim for its reliability and performance. Despite initial teething issues, refinements over the years solidified its reputation as one of Land Rover's most dependable motors. Owners praise its resilience, recounting adventures through the toughest terrains with unwavering reliability, showcasing the true spirit of Land Rover engineering. The heart of every Land Rover beats with the resilience and dependability of its engine. From classic V8s to modern powerhouses, each motor embodies the spirit of adventure and endurance that defines the Land Rover legacy. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.